Welcome to this edition of What's Up Wednesday. First of all, what's up? It's Wednesday. Let me know down in the comments below and be sure to like and subscribe. In this video, we're going to talk about things gone past, but also things to come in the future. Wonder what effect I can come up with at this point. That'd be cool. Anyway, first of all, go ahead and check out last week's Frank Friday. There was a subject that we talked about with regards to people delivering websites based on templates and not having the background and experience to support the client. Now, it's an interesting conversation and there are a lot of comments, so it would be great to get everybody's opinion. Am I wrong with what I share in that video? Do you agree? Let me know in those comments. Go ahead and check that out. Now, on Monday, we also released a video, Motivation Monday, with regards to how to motivate your team around a shared mission. So go ahead and check that out, especially if you feel like that your team are lacking energy. Also, don't forget that we have our podcast live today. It goes out at 2:30 BST or GMT, depending on when you're watching, every single Wednesday, so be sure to go and subscribe to the podcast if you are not already. Now then, tonight we will be having a call and my friend Tristan will be leading that, and he will be sharing tips on producing video and ways that you can use video in your social media. So in this video, I just want to show you a couple of things that you could do to be able to produce content for yourselves, for your own YouTube channel or for your social media channels. Now, the first thing you can do is use your phone in your hand. And as if by magic, we have a phone. So if I was to turn this into selfie mode so I can see myself on the screen, I can hold it at arm's length, look at it, and then have a conversation with myself with that video. Now, most phones with the selfie camera are recording at least HD now, which is fantastic. So you can line yourself up and then you can have a conversation to the camera. And if you use the YouTube app, you'll actually be able to upload that recording directly into YouTube. Also, be sure to check out the online video editor that comes with YouTube to allow you to add music, etc. But also note that there are heaps of apps for both Android and also for iPhone to allow you to edit any recordings that you do on your phone before you upload those to YouTube or to social media. So that's the first tip. And then the second tip is again with this good old mobile phone, and it's to use a stand if you want to have very specific still sort of imagery. And let me show you my stand. As if by magic, we have a book. Yes, you could very easily put your book on the table and simply prop your phone up. So if you want to start video production on a budget without any excuses, as long as you have a phone in your pocket, you can start to produce videos. In fact, if you look at some of the videos that we have on this channel, many are done with this exact phone. It's actually operating at 4K so that we can do real high quality images. Now, I'm also putting a link down below to a blog post and a video that shows you how we record a lot of our videos and the tech that we use for that. So be sure to check that out as well. There is a full Amazon list in those posts as well of all the technology that we had at that time that you can also purchase if you want to be able to create the sorts of videos that we are creating. So that's specifically if you are investing in your video marketing. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe because coming up on Friday, we have another Frank Friday. There will be another Frank discussion which you could be a part of. So be sure not to miss that. If you are not part of our communities, then be sure to check out both the premium and the free community in the notes below. Have a phenomenal day.